Второй. Девочки на третий хор команды «Универ». Очень упорная игра. 3+1. Третий хор, девочки, «Универ» 3+1.
Kazan is the capital of the Republic of Tatarstan, the largest city in terms of population in the Volga Federal District and on the Volga River. One of the largest economic, scientific, educational, religious, cultural and sports centers in Russia. There are several versions and legends about the origin of the name of Kazan. However, most often talk about the Tatar word Kazan, which means a cauldron. Kazan is located on the left bank of the Volga River, at the confluence of the Kazanka River, 820 kilometers east of Moscow. Due to its advantageous geographical location, Kazan has long been a trade intermediary between East and West. According to the current official version, the city was founded over 1,000 years ago. The estimated date of the emergence of an urban settlement of the site of Kazan is 1004-1005. Kazan was founded as a border fortress in the north of the Volga, Bulgaria. In 2005, the Millennium of Kazan was solemnly celebrated, for which the Kazan Metro, the Millennium Bridge and a number of other objects were built. In 1556, the construction of a new white stone Kremlin began. Today, the Kazan Kremlin is a UNESCO monument. About 1 million tourists visit the city every year. The symbol of the capital of Tatarstan and its main visiting card is considered to be the Kul Sharif Mosque. The thin and graceful mosque is located on a hill in the territory of the Kazan Kremlin. Kazan Mosque Kul Sharif is still young. It was opened in 2005. At the same time, it looks so harmoniously among the ancient buildings of the Kremlin and is so firmly entrenched in the minds as a touristic symbol that it seems that it has been standing here for a long time. Today, anyone can get inside, regardless of gender, nationality, and religion. Kul Sharif is first of all an architectural monument and only then a religious object. In the list of Russian cities in terms of population, the city rose to 5th place from 1,250,000 people. The main pedestrian street of the city is Bauman Street. The length of the street is 1,885 meters. In the era of the Kazan Khanate, it was called the Nogai Road. Kazan is one of the most multinational territories in Russia. Representatives of over 150 nationalities live in the city. The two largest nationalities in Kazan are Russians and Tatars. In 2009, the city of Kazan, as a result of voting at the federal level, was recognized as the sports capital of Russia. Even then, in the capital of Tatarstan, the fruits of painstaking work to develop sports in the region appeared. Over the past years, the situation has changed for the better. The city has hosted two bandy world championships in 2005 and 2011, the 2013 Summer Universiade, the 2014 World Fencing Championship, the 2015 FINA World Championships, the 2017 Confederations Cup, and has repeatedly become the venue for various sports competitions. In 2018, the city hosted matches of the World Cup. In December 2019, Kazan hosted the grand final of the Russian Esports Cup at the Volga Region State Academy of Physical Culture, Sports and Tourism. Today, Kazan is one of the most developed sports cities in Russia. There really is something to see in Kazan. In addition to the Kremlin, there are such interesting locations as the Palace of Farmers. This is the building of the Ministry of Agriculture of Tatarstan with a 20 meters bronze tree. The Kremlin embankment is about 1,500 meters, where you can go rollerblading, cycling, or a mini train, stroll along the Kazanka River with beautiful views of the opposite bank, sit in a cozy cafe or shop, or ride an attraction. Tasha, or registry office, where you can go up to the observation deck and look at the city. Extreme Park Uram, a unique youth extreme center under the bridge. The park occupies a record area of 42,000 meters and is the largest extreme park in Russia. It combined locations for extreme athletes and youth, a city park with areas for active recreation, event venues for sports and cultural events. All sports facilities in the park, a concrete skate park, a pump track, a streetball park, parkour and workout areas, an air park, and a training area. Built to international safety requirements and standards for international competitions in all disciplines from skateboarding to BMX freestyle, as well as scooter and roller sports. Black Lake Park is located in the very center of Kazan. The name is associated with the reservoir of the same name, on the banks of which local residents have long loved to relax. Parents with children, elderly people and young people come here with great pleasure. Today, mass cultural events are organized here, city holidays are held, two townspeople arrange photo shoots and have picnics with friends and family. This is a part of the sightseeing of the city of Kazan. Of course, there are more of them. Kazan is really worth visiting.